What's going on, guys? Sinclair Photos here, and today we're trying to do daily vlog number 2, baby. We are in the FRS bright and early because we have a very, very exciting plan for today. Make sure I don't get hit coming out of here, and we are good to go. So what we're gonna do first is Jordan is gonna get her nails done. So we're gonna go get her, drop her off at her nails place, meet up with Mason. Then we're gonna go down to HPC, which is a place that you guys know from a bunch of my other videos. We're gonna talk to the main man, Ellie, there about boosting the FRS. I know it's been a long time coming, boys, but I think I'm finally ready to make that next step and see what happens, dude. I'm super excited. We're gonna find the best kit. I'm leaning more towards the Vortex kit just because of that sound, but if he can make something happen for a better price, I'm just gonna go with that because this is expensive stuff, guys. If you guys are excited, please smash that like button. I would very much appreciate that. Let's get on with our day, baby. I forgot to update you guys, but we have squatted up with Mason. He's in front of us in the Supra, and there's been like 50 cops on this road, so I don't know what's happening, but we are almost to HPC, so the exciting stuff is about to go down. And we have arrived at HPC, the place where race cars are made. Let's try to park this thing. All right, guys, I'm leaving you in here. I'm taking this, and we will be back soon with a the plan for the future.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so I'm really bad at this whole like regular vlogging thing. I haven't picked the camera up in about like 3-4 hours. A lot has happened in the last 3 to 4 hours. We have officially picked a kit for the FRS. I'm not gonna say which one it is yet. It's not the Vortex one though. We went through a couple different options and we decided which one was gonna be, I guess, the best suited for the automatic and like the way I drive. So we did that. That should be here on Tuesday. I don't know when you're gonna see this video. It'll be next week sometime, the week of that it should be shipping in. So we did that. Super excited. I actually don't have the money for it yet. Not that I don't have it, the banks aren't open right now, so it was like a really weird situation where I couldn't go put the money. So the man Ellie is trusting me that I'm gonna get it for him, and so we're gonna drop it off probably Monday morning or sometime next week. So super excited. We also picked up Jordan. I don't know if we saw her earlier in the video or not, but she just got her nails done. Very pretty fall themed nails. Oogle and ogle. And now we're going to Target because I forgot my battery charger up at my house in College Station. We got Drew in the vet. Listen to this thing. That's pretty cool though. I like that camo wrap on that thing. We're right around the corner from Target. Let's go get a battery pack. Alright, guys, we didn't find any camera chargers, so your boy is gonna be winging it this weekend. We had a cool Mustang with a cowl hood passing us. We're headed to a car meet right now. Check that out. Ooh, nice. Makes me want a Mustang. But we're gonna just make this there we go. Oh, he's turboed! He's gone! That's crazy, bro. Oh my god, I cannot wait to be boosted. There's a BRZ behind us too. I'm just gonna make this whole video into like a cool vlog / car show video. I don't know where we're going, but see you at the car meet. All right, we made it to the show. I was wondering if I was gonna get any spot. Oop, he's trying to take a picture. Oop, sorry. We got a VIP spot, boys. And this one's safe for Drew because he's a handicapped old man in a vet. Oh, we got Mr. Drew coming in. My boy in the Turbo Boss 302. Everyone's here. Fist bump, brother. American Muscle Brothers. Alright guys, we took a break real quick, got some boba, went to Dollar Tree, and you know how I love giving gifts to my friends. That's pretty cool. But we do have the purple party hat, and we're gonna give it to Mr. Mopey Mike. Mike's been acting like a little baby lately. He's right over there sitting on the curb. We're gonna go cheer him up and give him a party hat. Here he is sitting on the curb. Mike, why are you moping?
I'm moping, I'm chilling.
I got you another gift because you liked the last one so much.
What'd you give me?
Close your eyes and take off your hat. Alright, look up, but keep your eyes shut. Shut them hard. Shut harder. There we go.
Yes.
There you go, Mike. There's your new hat.
Got the birthday hat. I got the birthday hat. You know it's not my birthday. I got the birthday hat.
The blue Liberty Walk GTR is pulling in over there. Brother! Something about boosted Mustangs. A man's driving it. Oh my goodness! This sounds nuts. Alright guys, this meet is kind of meh, to say the best, but I think we're gonna roll out and pick the vlog back up somewhere else. We listened to Drew's untuned 417, 416 stroker. You probably won't even be able to hear my car when we start up. Alright, we went from that meet, we popped over to see if this thing was going on still. Now we got the Mopar, baby. We're out here in the city. Everyone's blasting music, so let's take a look around. I don't know how long we're gonna be here because I really want to go swimming. Alright, we're out here hanging out. The man Mob Genius was kind enough to give us wings and fries. Got the man Hizzy, Drew, we're all hanging out here enjoying ourselves at seafood and wings. Very cool. Watching all the Mopar boys do Mopar things. I still want to go swimming. Alright guys, we're back in the whip. I think I'm gonna get to fulfill my dream and go swimming.
There's a mirror right here for you.
Hey Drew, want a mirror? I think it looked good on the vet. Houston. Time for a drink. Alright guys, my whole day dream is gonna come true in 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. We in the pool kicking it like a real G. We're hanging out, having a good time, and I'm finally gonna jump in the pool. So if you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.